Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. Now in today's video, I'll be teaching us how to use our K9 microphone, wireless microphone. A lot of people have bought this microphone and to them, they said it's not working. It's not working with my phone. It's not working with my phone camera. It's not working. All right. Now I'll be teaching you how to exactly use this K9 microphone to enable you have access to your phone, like it's going to work in your phone. Are you a content creator and it's looking as if you are frustrated because you spend money to buy something that you want to use for content creation and boom, you plugged it into your phone and you cannot use it? In this video, that will be solved. And please stick to the end of this video because when I show you what to use, I'm going to also show you the settings to put, so that it can work. Now, this K9 camera, like we know, I just want to use a little time to just show us how the inside look like. There are some that come with one microphone, but this one I have is two microphone because I'm using it to like interview. Somebody else will wear and I will also wear my own. And it's very cheap. Oh my God, this microphone is very cheap. And besides, it is clear. That is what I'm using now to record this. I don't know. You can rate my camera, my microphone, sorry. So K9 microphone, and it comes with two what's it called, two mouths, USB mouth. You get the normal USB. This one is normal USB. The other one was for iPhone. So whether you're using iPhone, you're using Android, you're using Type C, anyone you are using, K9 got your back. Okay, and it comes with a charger, a very small charger. My own charger actually is bad, so but I will just show you how the charger looks like. It's a very small charger. Yes, a very small short charger that you can use in charging the microphones and the receiver. The microphone and the receiver, you will use it to charge them. Now, without wasting much of your time, let's go into the video proper. Please don't forget to like and share so that others can learn on how to use this microphone. Now, when you enter the interface of your phone, you go straight to your Google Play Store. You go straight to your Play Store. Please don't download it from any other place. Just go to your Play Store. When you get to your Play Store, you will search for open camera. Open camera, yes. Please, like I said, don't just rush because you heard me say open camera. There is a setting, oh, and if you don't get that setting right, you cannot use it. It will still not work. It's something that I've experienced. You search for open camera in your Play Store so that you know you are downloading authentic. Now they will show you two. Look at it on the screen. The first one is not the camera I'm talking about. It is the second one. This second one with blue and white, circle, blue and white. That is the open camera you are going to download in order to use your K9 microphone. All right, so here I am downloading it. I used to have it in my phone, but because of this video, I had to delete it. So I will show us the process on how to download this open camera in order to use your K9 microphone. Now, after you have downloaded it, you open it. When you open your camera, it's going to show you something like this. Now, it's going to say, allow open camera to take pictures and record videos. You click on while using this app. Click on that. Then they say open camera. They give us some talk there. You click on OK. Now, this camera is so clear. That is one thing you should know. Then you go to the settings of the camera. When you go to the settings of the camera, go to video recording, or video rather. When you get into video, you are going to look for audio source. In the video, you are going to look for audio source. I've passed it, but we'll go back to it. Audio source in the video setting. Audio source. When you get to that audio source, now this is it. Okay. All right, audio source. When you get to audio source, when you click it, you look at camcorder, external mic, default audio source, and so on and so forth. Now, if you leave it at camcorder, you can't use K9 microphone on this camera. If you leave it on external mic, you can't use K9 microphone. So you do default audio source. You default it, put it on default so that any of these you can use it at any time on any kind of um, microphone. Now, when you do that, you go back to your phone, open your apps. So this is how the camera is. I have to block it because some things I don't want us to see. So please, if you have any question on how you want to use K9 microphone on open camera, please put it on the comment section. I promise I'm going to answer all your questions. I believe I have helped you solve a problem. Take care of yourself. See you in my next video. Subscribe to the channel, like and share so that others can have solution. Bye.